Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok birthday on your Android device. Perhaps you chose a date of birth that isn't eligible for TikTok by accident, and maybe you are not eligible for TikTok but you want to get around the situation. Then you must have tried different remedies to the problem. However, the vast majority of online remedies are ineffective. So if you watch the video till the end, you'll discover how to fix your birthday on TikTok in this particular guide. Press the subscribe button and make sure to get subscribed to our channel. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. If you want to fix your TikTok birthday, tap open your TikTok application from the app drawer. Go to the profile button in the lower right hand corner. From your main home page, you'll end up in your TikTok profile. Tap on your name at the top of the screen and tap on Add Account. Now this will take you to the sign up page for TikTok. Tap on Use Phone or Email option. Now type in the birthday that you'd like to change to for your TikTok. Once you're done, tap the Next button. On the next page, enter your phone number that is associated with your current TikTok account. You can also type in your email by going to your email tab at the top. Tap Send Code after you type in your phone number. Wait for the verification code to arrive on your mobile number. Once you receive it, type it into the text box. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be taken to your TikTok account. That way, your TikTok birthday will be changed. That is how you can easily change or fix your birthday information on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.